Up first this evening, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, says its examination of files in relation to the criminal investigation involving former Education Minister Ruel Reid has revealed conduct which may have breached 4 criminal laws. The DPP says her office has now sent those findings to the next investigative level.
The legal opinion presented by 4 senior prosecutors in the DPP's office was sent to the Financial Investigations Division, FID, on Thursday. DPP Paula Llewellyn says, in addition to the legal opinion, the detailed 13-page document includes guidance and recommendations. She says, to date, examinations of the available material provided by the investigators has revealed possible administrative breaches and conduct which may have contravened 4 criminal statutes. Additionally, she says there may be administrative breaches that may have contravened possibly 2 common law offenses. She noted, however, that while her office can make recommendations to investigate entities, to prosecute individuals, or indicate that there is insufficient material to mount a viable prosecution, it is the police and other investigative bodies that make decisions about whether to arrest and charge and place any matter before the court. Head of the FID, Robin Sykes, confirmed receipt of the document and outlined the FID's plans going forward.
The DPP has provided some excellent guidance to us as to how to ensure that this case meets the highest standards required by our courts, and we are determined to ensure that we meet her recommendations and follow her guidance so that when it is presented to the court, it's a solid case and watertight.
Ms. Llewellyn says thereafter, the decision to prosecute is guided by time-honored protocols which her office has to be mindful of in the public interest and that there is sufficient evidence. The FID contacted the DPP's office several months ago in relation to the investigation at the Education Ministry. Ruel Reid was asked by Prime Minister Andrew Holness to resign on March 20 amid allegations of corruption at the ministry and several entities falling under its remit, including the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU. It is also been alleged that several people connected to Mr. Reid received contracts from the CMU, including 2 helpers and a driver.